Is it Uncle C? But don't take it so easy. Fetujja kuyimba until the day we die. Begabe gebango tuliwanike. Begabe koyamba ne rugabiri. I know mutima nasema. Come na tune. Bikufana. Kasi byo kola bikufana kyo tuliwa kabijja wefu. Kubaka tiboluwa kulaba MC ali articulate. Nange kikimbonya because byekola ki. Ali very kind, Ali very loving, Ali very leading. Bana ugaro mapalaso wa Chameleone ni mwana mama. Ate kukamili. Introduction yotandika. Linda kumaliza ko palaso. Ngeno kwa defense ya Mayanja bane. Wabo bataka kamera mwabagala that bullshit of putting us up. But Uganda wange tuli national treasure. Uncle Palaso is very loving. He's very caring. He's very problem of what? He's the weakest Mayanja. Palaso okay, let me go to Weasel. Weasel. One. Are running on time. You best time keep between them family. Ali very annoying. If you're annoying, they keep you. He's very annoying, but Weasel is also very giving. Big up Weasel Manizo. We love him. Katika nguli Joseph Chameleone. Kanguli ole amanyezi. Tokate boxer kabu. Mune bajatuka buchalingira onze ndino Palaso nkubega. Nawe njagala ombege. Don't put your eggs in one basket. We cannot be Mayanja family in one table. Kaende wano. Combination! Sibeko tigenda wa what? MOU! Na yera, linda ko. Chameleone fato ogedde ko tatuwadde mukisa kumwogera ko. Wamma, naffe twagala tumugambe from our angle. Chameleone, brother waffe Uganda waffe owakabi nantamegwa tukwaga. Please. We are recording. We don't want to call it. If you own this bag, then own it. You can't tell me that motherfucker. Devil is a liar. Devil is a liar. What's in our mouth? Kulikalonyi kofuna batya nnyo kubaleka yefitire bila balubalu baby atana bana bakto musumali deserve bonga mujesi ya nese wanu wichomo kola tojje hotelera any statement mileage see promotion is a symbol of a game if you don't want to come stay home and love your wife say bonito you celebrate DJ this night for Ugandan music industry so big up my brother DJ Mercy big up everybody Casclone remember Nenchabagamba Dr. Chameleone oli chali waffe oli muganda waffe oli mukwano gwaffe bingi bye tukuyigiddeko okugaba tukuyigiddeko okuyimba tukuyigiddeko okusonyiwa tukuyigiddeko okwagala tukuyigiddeko okuwangula tukuyigiddeko okulemezaamu njagala obagamba bakyali bange batudde wano mwana bangi bajja nga babanyumiza stories but for us we came from Kawempe mu Nkere mu Kalole zone from the deepest darkest corners of the world. We used twawugiranga mu bidiba ebisembayo okuba ebikyafu mu Uganda but man we were blessed different. Katonda yali atutuddemu yali wanjawulo naye nga blessed okuba nti yatuula mu Dr. Chameleone industry evudde walazi Uganda and you've been a great pillar for King Saha, for Palaso, for Chaga, for Weasel Manizo, for Red Banton, for Radio, for so many more to mention, for AK-47, for the entire industry. I remember you used to produce your own songs nga
But I want to tell you as a brother, I am so happy for you. I can never thank God enough for sharing you as a brother. We are talking about the greatness of this generation, the beginning of so many things. So when we tell you, Yaman, Chameleone, Olichari wange, kulabye nga tuyita wendoza mtutusobola kuyita noyitawo. Febanji batu judging of who we are, but the place we came from didn't have any opportunities. We had to create our own. We had neighbors that told us we were nothing and we were bound to be nothing. We had people that told us we would never become anything in the world. We had people that told us we would die or would end up in prison. But guess what? We ended up in the stars. We traveled plane after plane, flight after flight, show after show. Yeah, man. And relax, my brother. We travel the world. Listen, unfortunately, we are from a nation that does not support us as great as it should support us sometimes. Because they forget who we are. I've been to different countries and I've seen South Africans loving South Africans regardless of who else has come around as long as you're South African. I've seen Nigerians love Nigeria and they don't even care who you are. They just love you because you're Nigerian. Because I want to remind you all, we are Ugandan before we are even Africans. So all you guys need to wake up. This is our legend. Tumulabye Oba in here and say, Chameleone, without you, I don't know where the Ugandan industry would have been. You're a great man. On February 10th, we all storm Lugogo Cricket Oval. One by one, we fill it up and represent for the greatest of our generation. Somebody say, oh, love you still. I remain sucker-free boss, king of the East. Respect. I remain sucker-free boss, king of the East. You can copy my style, but you can't copy respect.
Yes, big up on the same Chameleone Palazzo, Wapitaguza Manizo, Nazoya Museni Awano, and then I'll call my student teacher. My student teacher, my genderese. China gala kwanza Chameleone kunjikiriza kwagala bakazi balungi bokka. What's down there?